Jodie Foster slams Kristen Stewart cheating scandal attention. Hey everybody, I'm Stephanie Bauer for Holly Scoop. Jodie Foster feels protective over Kristen Stewart as she played her mom on Panic Room, and she wrote a long blog slamming the media spectacle surrounding her girl. She says, in 2001, I spent 5 months holed up with Kristen. I grew to love that kid. She says she was nervous when she found out Kristen wanted to pursue acting. Jodie writes, I've said it before and I will say it again. If I were a young actor today, I would quit before I started. If I had to grow up in this media culture, I don't think I could survive it emotionally. Of the scandal, Jodie writes, it's as old as the hills. Lift up beautiful young people like gods and then pull them down to earth to gaze at their seams. See, they're just like us, but we seldom consider the childhoods we unknowingly destroy in the process. For more entertainment news, check out hollyscoop.com.
Watch your favorite videos wherever you are. Available as a free download for both your iPhone and iPad. Search Holly Scoop in the iTunes Store.